Hey everybody, welcome back to Art with Miss C. Today we are going to do a drawing about kindness, and this is called Caring, Sprinkle Kindness. So when I think about caring, I think about doing kind things for others. And sometimes for me that means baking a cupcake or cookies and giving them to friends, family, and people I work with. So let's draw a cupcake today. First, I started with two diagonal lines on the side, and then I added the top of the cupcake, and I added a wavy line in the middle for the icing. Remember, if this goes too fast, you can always pause. I added some lines on the bottom, and then a rainbow line for the top of the cupcake. I wrote the word kindness on our cupcake because being caring is also being kind. So I thought doing sprinkles of kindness for our cupcake would be kind of cute today. I also decided to put a heart-shaped cherry on top of the cupcake for decoration. And because being caring and being kind is showing how much we care for others and sharing positive attitude, I wanted to create little heart sprinkles and little rectangle sprinkles all over the cupcake to decorate it. While I was decorating my cupcake, I was thinking about how I could be kind to others around me and how I can show others that I care for them. So maybe while you're decorating and coloring your cupcake, you could maybe write some things how you could show to be caring or kind to people around you. I know sharing is a very caring thing to do. So in my life, I know I like to share a caring act with others around me by either helping them with something that they need help with, like chores around the house, showing family and friends that I care for them by helping them with chores around the house, or maybe just sending them a text message or a phone call and telling them how much I care for them. I know right now we can't really share cupcakes or go over and help people like we used to and show our kindness or caring that way, but maybe we can do it by creating a picture and mailing it to them. That is also an option to show that we care for someone. Remember to be positive and share your kindness and caring with others. I hope you enjoyed drawing with me today. You guys have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching.